Hey, just welcome back to Solo. Is it worth it? So in the episode, we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a computer desk from this brand right here. So I believe for the one that I got right here was like 40 inches or somewhere around that range, but I do have this available in a bigger or smaller size. So you definitely want to do your own research and measurement to see how big or how small you guys need. But here's basically what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what's included inside, and then we'll start assembling it. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what's included inside. So they provide you guys the wooden part for the actual table, and then we do have the bottom part for each different section for the board. They provide you guys a little storage bag to put on the side, which I'll show you guys what it actually looks like in a second. And right here they provide you guys instruction manual, and they also provide you guys the different parts as well. So let's take a look at the instruction manual and see how to assemble it. Alright, so first thing I want to do is flip this over and put this on one side for now. So basically what you guys want to do is put this on top of the wood right here first. So I don't put this on the floor so that way the table won't get dirty. And you want to face it up this way. And you don't want to take out these bars and put it on top. So when you guys put the bar on top of here, you guys want to make sure this corner is facing inward. Alright, so once you guys got this here, you guys want to take out the screws out. So you basically want to get out the silver screw to put it on top and get a tool to actually screw it. So they do provide guys 5 of them, one of them as a backup. You basically want to screw on 2 on each one of these poles. So 2 right here and 2 right here. And when you guys screw it in, you guys want to make sure not both of them are actually tight first. You guys want to make sure both of them fit inside and screw it in slightly first before you guys tighten it up. Now you can tighten it up. Now you guys want to do the same thing for the front. Alright, so you're done with that part. Now you guys want to work on this part right here. So for this part, you basically want to install the little feet or the legs on the bottom to prevent it from like moving around and also prevent it from scratching your floor when you guys do set it up, which are these. So they do provide guys 4 of them, one for each one of the legs. So you basically want to screw it in very easily. Alright, same thing for our side. Alright, so we've done that step as well. Next step, you basically want to use the A bar to screw it onto the bottom for each one of these legs. And you guys want to use a screw that has 8 of them, which are these in the bottom. So these are the long ones. So you guys want to go like this, and then put the screw on top, and then screw it in. Now you want to do the same thing for the bottom part. Alright, so done with this one. Let's do the same thing for the other one. Alright, so that should be good. The next step is for you guys to put this on top of the actual table or the board right here. So just like that, and you can put the screw on. So I'll be using the same screw, which is number 1 on the outside right here. Alright, one more for the other side. Alright, so now we do the same thing for the other side. Alright, so you guys are all set. So here's basically what the product looks like from the side when we do screw it in. So one right here and one right here. Same thing applies to the other side. Now let's move on to the next step. So once you guys put the screw on the side, you want to put another one in the inside, but this time we're using the number 3 screw. Alright, you want to do the same thing for all other corners as well. Alright, so once you guys finish that, the next step is for you guys to set up the F legs on 1 on each side, and we're going to be using the same screw, which is number 3. So it doesn't really matter if you guys set up here or here, it's the same. And once you guys finish this side, you guys want to do the same thing for this side. And basically the benefit of doing this is to give you guys a lot more support when you guys do use the table, if you guys put like heavy stuff on here. Alright, so once you guys are done with that, we can flip it back to the other side and we can set up the actual storage bag and the hook option. So let's do the hook option first because it's much easier and it's smaller and it's only one piece. So this is what the hook option looks like. You just want to screw it on this side right here. So just like this. And now you guys have a hook option to hang like your headphones or anything else. You do have the option to move it here or here if you guys want to. So the last thing we have to show you guys is how to set up this part right here. So I'm actually show you guys how to do it. So when you guys take it out, here's basically what it actually looks like. So basically want to screw it in here and here, but this is what the inside looks like. You can see it's very spacious. And the front we do have the little brand logo. So I just want to use 2 of the 3 screws to actually screw it in. Alright, so once you guys put it on, then it's all set. So very easy and very simple. Took me less than like 40 minutes to actually set it up. And inside the storage bag right here, they probably got this option. So you want to put this inside like this. So that way you can keep the shape of the actual bag to stick it out. But I'm just bring the camera a little bit closer to give you guys a better point of view of what the product looks like. Alright, so here is basically a close-up view of what the product looks like from this side. Let me turn around to the other side to show you guys what that looks like as well. So here is basically what the product looks like from this side. So you guys get a little storage bag right here and the hook option on the other side. You can definitely see the foundation on the back right here. So that way can give you guys the support when you guys do use the table. And they do give you guys this magnetic option for you to stick it on to make it look nice if you guys want to. So they probably got 4 of these, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So here's the option in terms of how you guys can set up the table. You can see it actually looks pretty nice when I actually put it like this. And for the chairs that we got right here, there are foldable chairs from the Linon brand if you guys are interested. You can definitely use it as a dining table for 2 people if you guys do want to. You can see it actually looks pretty nice. So here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do fully set it up. So whether if you guys want to use it as a dining table or computer desk, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality computer desk that has a similar design that's on here. We give you guys a storage compartment on the side and also hook option on the side as well. And I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.